What are we doing today, guys? There's no more car, you see? No more car. So what I do, I just sit here, talk to myself. No, I'm actually gonna be doing the engine mounts today. Probably so from the thumbnail. You know why I'm saying it. But these are the mounts. They are basically still the stock color. Nothing special about them. This one still looks nice. I'm gonna be making them gloss black. You see? This color over here. You're probably wondering when are we gonna put the engine together? Not sure when, but soon, trust me, soon the engine is gonna be put together. But yeah, let me just prep them. I think I just have to like sand them lightly down, clean them, and then I think I'm sorted. That's all. Put them in some engine cleaner. But there is some CV grease on them and like other grease, a whole lot of dirt. Yeah. Let me get to doing that. Okay. So I'm gonna take the mounts, obviously. Gonna sand them down. Or actually clean it first. Sand it down, clean it again. Primer. First coat, second coat, the procedure. Because I want this spray job obviously to last. Like other failures. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this. This is the I think this is the gearbox or what? I don't even know. That's the one engine mount. But okay, it doesn't matter. What matters is cleaning it. I'm gonna clean it, dry it, and then sand it, and then clean it again to get the dust off. And hopefully the spray job comes out nice. Because I'm not notorious for spraying stuff good. Okay, I think that's all the grease off of there. Or most of the grease. Oh, this mount is rough. Oh, see that? That's spray job in there. Oh, that's rough. Hopefully mine looks better than this. You can actually see it looks much cleaner. It looks more like freshish, I guess, besides how bad the paint job is. I'm not gonna like sand all the paint if I'm kinda just gonna do a what do you call like a surface, just take off most of it, smooth it out kind of, but it's rough edges. Like especially those bubbles I showed you guys. Those bubbles that like dents in the paint marks that you have to kind of sand because you're gonna see it through the prime and stuff and I think it will kind of give the mounts the go this color to kind of give the mounts a nice special look like like not the pirate look but like almost like renewed, I guess. Renewed, yeah, is the word I'm gonna use. Okay, and again, rinse the mount off now with some water because I feel like water will be better. 'Cause I think engine cleaner has a bit of some, the residue. Then I will try it and then we can do our first coat of primer. I'm gonna be using white primer under, so it kind of pulls out the color more. It keeps it nice and bright. You can put. Okay, there's my primer. First coat done. Second coat. Okay, I've let the primer now dry. You can feel there is that croppy texture on it. Now for the what do they call it now? Base coat. Now for the gloss black base coat. I'm gonna be using this gloss black from Marshall as well. I'm gonna try to use everything from the same brand so it all sticks together. Time for the second coat. I've gotten the second coat on now. It looks pretty good so far. Looks like the paint is sticking. That doesn't look like there's anything out of the ordinary wrong with it. But yeah, now we just let that dry also. It looks a bit there, you see there on that mark, is kind of some chipping, but I think I can just cover that up, kind of. And now we wait again. But yeah, now my final coat of base or whatever. I've got good coverage. I don't really have to focus a lot there at the back because that's where it's gonna go against the body. But here, where you mainly see, we've got a nice even coat. I think there's a small bit sticking out over there. I just touch up that. Now we wait again. Okay, everything is dry. Here is the engine mount after a day of drying. You see, the paint looks a bit rough, but that's because it wasn't really smooth. I didn't smooth it down a lot. But I think with the other other ones I'm gonna use the wire brush over there on the table, and then hopefully it comes out a bit better. Because you can see on the side it doesn't really have so much scuff, so it looks smoother, and on the side it's like, you know. But yeah, hopefully the other ones come out better. So guys, you can see the mouse look very good. I primed it over here, and here is when it's done. It actually looks very nice because like the gloss, like I said earlier, it gives a nice, not OEM, but not also like a pirate look, but it looks very nice. Comment down below what you think about this.